Doggo and I sneeze sneeze sneeze.
Wow. There's no British jump scare today, apparently. Frightened you, huh? By the way, I'm gonna raise OBS music. I realized I was jamming out yesterday and you couldn't hear the music as loud as me. Ahoy. Hey y'all. How it going? Does the stream look and sound okay? Sorry I'm 20 minutes late, I was trying to find a wallpaper. So I found a nice low pixel count Cave Story one. That's the only reason I was 20 minutes late. How is everyone? Pitta. What's wrong? This ran yesterday. No space on device. Eat my ass. This ran yesterday. Try again. Powerful. Everyone doing good? Sleep people good? Yeah, I've had a very long day as well. I think I have to work early tomorrow because we're leaving to go see a show. I was also doing some drawing earlier. My tablet's charging. I drew a cute, worried police lady waifu over a few hours. I'm still not very good at actual, like, drawing people, you know? This one was, like, digital. I downloaded a new program called, like, Infinite Painter, and I was testing it out. You see, there is space left on the device is the issue. Like, there is. So you gotta stop that. Android Studio has a really nice thing where in the bottom right you can click on something and it clears memory. Alright, fine. Hang on, download update doesn't just install an update. It goes to the fucking web page. Who wrote this? Really? What version am I using? The new version is .81. I refuse to believe that's fixed anything. Ridiculous. Do you only get it from a package manager? Does Pac-Man not have like an upgrade all? Yes. Holy shit. There's one of these for Visual Studio. No, stop this. Oh, discover. The fuck is this? It's opened on the wrong monitor, and it's too small. It doesn't. I can't access the top of it. Hang on. This is impossible to move. It's. Ah, no, resize. Okay, I guess I have to make it full screen. Shade? No, full screen. Okay. Update it, please. It's just not updated on FlatHub yet. Okay, you can go away now. Program. Get out of here. Whatever. There was a move option. What do you think I clicked on? Stingus Dingus? Because I did not Stingus Dingus. Resize? Oh, fuck. I am the Stingus Dingus. So it's been a long day. Maybe you want to build if I just ask politely and keep trying over and over. Sometimes that does work with the error. Yeah, I think that's how I fixed it last time. There you go. Excuse me, Lich? I don't want any of that language on my stream. You've been menued. Yeah. Okay. It's pita bread and hummus, by the way. Hang on, why doesn't this show... It's a free type. I don't remember. Donut could probably tell you. I was kind of hoping that this source control thing would show me past changes. Shame. Using libshrift. Oh, of course. That's a shame. I had a menu system written out. I'm not using a Git GUI, I've just been shoving everything in a terminal. That's a shame. In the other IDs I use, it can show me the past history. So I can use that as like a changes, you know, see what used to be there. The Clang language server is a piece of shit. Never once have you worked for me. Please tell me there's like an alternative, because this does not work. There must be an alternative, right? Is there GCC'd? Use the built-in one that's crap but doesn't crash. Yeah. You say it's crap, this one isn't, this one's the most crap, it doesn't exist. You know? It's like, oh yeah, the lid on this bin's a little rubbish, but this compared to the other one you're using, there isn't a lid. Alright. What's the built-in one called? Instead of clanged, it's just like a different C++? Oh shit, wait, is Clang crashing because the default C++ one's running? Is that a possibility? Should you only have one enabled at a time? Yo, rat shit. Okay. I don't remember how we changed this last time. Something with the renderer. Try formatting. Doesn't seem to do anything. Anyway, I'm gonna look for the... Am I? Format with and select something. Clang format is not working. Should get an error output somewhere. Okay. Tweet feedback. Oh. So outdated. God, not having a formatter sucks ass. Try it in this file too. What do you do? Oh, you don't need to be there. It's so strange it doesn't work. It's unfortunate, isn't it? It's really annoying, actually. Like, I like stuff auto-formatting. Play game, practice, leaderboard. I feel like these things should be in game. Yeah, I'm gonna put these in game. I don't think I'm using the right syntax for this. I feel like maybe I meant to do this. But I'm just gonna do dot for now, just to write it. Pom. 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 Doesn't seem to do anything. I'm just gonna leave it. We'll suffer for now. Maybe it just doesn't work on the Steam Deck for some reason. Although I remember having issues on Windows as well. We'll suffer. That's not an emote. Window reload. Try it. Quickly try and format before it breaks. Should be. Will suffer. I feel like it is this. Donut, when do I do 2 colons? It's a separate extension for Klangon format. When do I do 2 semicolon or 2 colons versus a dot for method execution? Two colons is for static members. Oh, okay. So I don't need to do that. That makes sense. Thank you. Maybe I'll have a navigation thing at some point. Do I need to do menu system dot? Surely not, because this is menu system. Yours only has C++, CMake, and CMake tools, and it's working. I currently have... Do I need to have extensions? Themes, CMake, CMake tools. I have basically the same lot as you. Right now. Actually, I've noticed that the formatting has gone away. There's no longer a formatting option. You know? It's just gone. Yeah, that plugin's the one that introduces that right-click option. Crunch, 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 crunch. Oh. Music is depressing. Hey Tom, is it? Sorry, what does that mean? That's not correct. Is it maybe because I called my member variable just game? It's getting confused? Game. It's because the reference is const. Do I have to do something special? It says so. Well, yeah, but it doesn't say how to solve it. It also doesn't say that the issue is the fact that it's called const. How do you access this differently to a const? So I'm executing a function, I'm not changing anything. It says that passing it discards qualifiers. Sorry. That doesn't explain a single thing. How do I do what I want to do? Which piece of grammar on my keyboard do I type for this to work? Should it not be a const reference? I thought since camera is being used as a const reference, it seemed sensible for game to also be one. Maybe not? Suppose I can just get rid of that. Okay. I don't want to modify game, I want to execute one of its functions. That's not modifying it. Well, I guess apparently depending on the language you're using. If the function isn't const qualified, it could maybe modify it. Okay. And a const function is not allowed to modify any member variables? Or what? Okay. Dude, not being able to, like, go to that, like, go here is so fucking annoying. So tedious using this bloody program. I might as well be using Notepad, if only Notepad had colours. Which I think it does. I don't think that Notepad++ exists on Linux, though. VS Code is usually the alternative you use, hilariously. God, this thing is useless. My keyboard's all slippery. It seems like the pads over the years have just disappeared, so it's just going everywhere. What's going on in load demo scene components then? Oh, thank you, Watts. Control click does work for you. I'm happy for you, Donut. Happy that it works for you. Thanks for the 33 months, Watts. How are you? We're listening to some Minecraft, apparently. The YouTube robot has decided. Almighty YouTube robot. Oh, IntelliSense is disabled. Holy shit. It works. You've done it again, Donut. Maybe. It doesn't seem to do much, but it's trying. Ah! It immediately crashed 5 times and then did nothing. Let's change it to enabled. How am I today? Shattered. I've had a very long day. And now I'm putting up with this. It's useless. Maybe the Steam Deck is just cursed, you know? Perhaps? Let's just let IntelliSense... Which one is it? Let's just let it pass the workspace. It might be running out of memory. How much memory does it need to go through like 2 megabytes worth of C++ files? Let's just let it pass the workspace. You know? Don't know how long it'll take. Let's just sit for... Actually, no, I think it will run in the background, won't it? Probably. I hate that this doesn't scroll in 120 FPS. My mouse is moving in 120. The menu scrolls in 60. It's disgusting. Alright, modern software, yeah. Alright, let's just run. Hey! Okay, back to menu. Let's fix that. It's trying to load an Overwatch frag video. Whose video is this? Oh, it's the person who uploaded this Minecraft playlist's frag video. When you steal the content and then use it to try and ego boost your own. Yes, epic win. I see that a lot. You used to have like a couple like Gilvesana uploads of various game soundtracks, and these days there's like an insane number of like 5 subscriber channels just copy and pasting every Nintendo song into a 2-hour video with like a stolen piece of artwork called like relaxing Nintendo songs to wank off to. They'll post like 1,000 of them a day, probably using like a bot. They get a lot of views. My YouTube always like goes on them. It's just like, you know, fucking, and then sometimes these channels get like, they get loads of subscribers. I'm not sure why. They're like bots re-uploading playlists in like low quality, and then they switch. They're like, now I'm doing content. This is my top 5 favorite Mario hat incidents. It's bizarre. Anyway. Go to menu. Go to game. God, this is the lowest quality upload of this. Is there a way to have this without the fucking @ there? Because I'm trying to use this to open stuff quickly. And it is kind of annoying. Do you get the game passed in? No. Maybe pause system should be a menu system. Control P. Alright. Thanks, that works. Try the formatter. Oh, it's finished running. You have to hold right click, huh? Okay, you just need to change the default to C++. It looks kind of horrid, but it's working, and that's better than nothing. It's fine. It's fine. No complaints. What's up? No space left on the device. Please help. Hello, Mr. Steam Deck. I know you can run Quake Champions and Doom 2016, but please, I need more memory for this C++ program you have. Yes, very big program. It has 3 sprites on the screen, yes. Difficult, difficult. Maybe 7 or 8 files need to compile. Yes, very tough, very tough. Have I seen the new career announced? I haven't seen anything about Vermintide, my dude. That's incredible. I just realized the game's still technically paused. Why is it like that? Hey, Blank. Necromancer, yo. You'll be in for a big surprise, and then Blank just wrote it. Can't believe it. Been spoiled. That's sick. I'm excited to play. I like that they're still updating Vermintide. The game slaps. Okay, what was it? Control P? No, not called drawing. What's it called? Render? This is not it. Render background? This is odd. Why doesn't this get cleared out? Why is this dark grey background being drawn? Is the pause system being passed in? Maybe the menu system's doing it itself, actually. I did copy and paste it. Oh, here we go. How about instead of that? Now make a grand strategy game UI. WouHou 6 is slapping. Do you want to try and get the background from WouHou working? If I go into GitHub. WouHou? Oh, hey. That's not quite what I meant. Oh, that's nice. This black. That's nice. I like it. It's kind of chill. I'm gonna use that. I don't know why. I like it. Am I? No, I'm not. I'm not. That's not what I meant to do. Why does it have a black... Is it just this? Like this is being drawn over the... Like if I get rid of that? Oh, I'm not logged in on GitHub. Hang on. Oh, now I am. Your master branch isn't protected? Fuck me, really? Scary. Anyway. Alright, YouTube, who passed you the aux cable? Are you gaming? Or are you researching? What's that? Watching YouTube. No. I was just asking. No, we've barely dropped any frames. I was just wondering what you were doing. Yeah, we should eat strawberries. This is WouHou. This isn't the WouHou I'm thinking of. I want old WouHou. Hang on, is it the same repository? No, it's old. It's Project WouHou is the old one. Okay, I thought things looked a bit too clean. Woolen underscore SFML v6. Okay, this is it. Take me to source. And then I want the presumably I'm gonna grab the background controller and then I'm gonna go into data. Backplate.png? That's not it, but that's cool. Baker-chan? Banana Monkey? Bap.wav, beam.frag, birdangelwife.set, blendcolor.frag, cloud set with eye, eggchild set, fluffy yeti friend, kiwicopter's dad set.png. Holy shit. Menu.frag, menu.vert? Maybe? No, that's like a 3D thing you made. Onyo? This was stolen. There's no way you heard this, right? Hang on. Do you hear that? I'm gonna max this. Listen. Can you hear that? It's still fading out from the last song in the playlist that this is ripped from. And this is C418's official channel. And they couldn't get an individual version of the song. This video has 2.5 million views. The start of the official upload from C418 of this song begins with the last song fading out for like 3 seconds. It just seems like a super amateur move. I was like, oh, this is a re-upload. It's the official one. Thanks for the strawberries, by the way. Yeah, maybe. Alright, background controller has some shit going on in it. I think it's menu... No, wait, menu background might be the... Oh yeah, we had like stars and clouds and shit. You have some strawberries, here you go. This was like £1 from Tesco's. These are like the slightly wonky ones that are fucking perfect. They just taste a bit bitter. Okay. Chat, are you ready for something good? Can I just like shove this in here? Didn't seem to work. Give me a second. Bonk. Trying not to show you lot the format of my disc, even though I do it all the time. I pretend that I'm into security, and then I stream myself programming, the least secure thing you can do. You don't recognize this? It's my carpet from London. I've lived in like 10 houses since here. You not know what this is, right? Okay, there was a small chance it would immediately go to the WouHou bit, but it didn't. Anyway, let's try and see if we can work out if we can get this working or not. Is it this frag and vert stuff? You said that it's different, like you use a different code base, or like a newer version of GLSL or something, right? They are shaded. Are we still using the same stuff? M shader. Set uniform time angle texture. Okay. You can copy and paste them to start, but you'll need to modify them a bit. That's perfect. Let's have a new folder for shaders. That's fine. Who knows if we'll have we'll reuse. We'll have more. I'm gonna have a menu.vert and a menu.frag. Menu.vert. I'm so excited. If we can get this working, it's gonna feel like real, you know? It's gonna be like, oh yeah, it is WouHou, you know? It's important. It's part of the brand. Oh, that strawberry was really good. I don't know what horse poo they put on it this one, but like that was a juicy and tasty strawberry. Alright, you can help me with frag and vert files. Sure, I'm sure you can find something. Shader language syntax. Ooh, live preview. Alright, go on then. Tell me what you can do. WouHou wheel. WouHou wheel. What do you put on your car? I want to see what a live preview looks like. Give it a go. And to follow it up, that one was really fucking bitter. Like, super bitter. Fuck me. I didn't really read this. It says... oh, it's installing. How does this work? Run... show GLSL canvas. But that's not it. Control Shift P. That one's not working. Alright, it's having some issues. It's because I passed this stuff in. So this is not very handy, huh? These are passed in. Mostly for WebGL. I think you're right. I was just kind of hoping. Shader magic. Include screenshots of your extension in action. Alright, let's not touch that. What's this? This is a new Minecraft song. Yeah, this is from beta. I haven't listened to any Minecraft beta. Alright, we have menu frag, menu vert. Yeah? Menu frag, menu vert. Looking good. If we had render background, I guess. Probably under menu, but let's pop it in background for now. Just to have it somewhere. I'm not... Code 55% faster with GitHub Copilot. You too can be a thief. Yeah! Generate website. Bonk. Accidentally copies copyright message. Oops. Oops. It's gonna happen. Okay. So, in here, I had a background controller. I have a float called Please Don't Overflow. That's important. Alright. This was using SFML, so... Don't know if it's just going to be called shader, but let's see. If it can pick up on something. I think there was another include I need to do, actually. Hang on. Donut and aliases. Let's grab that. We need... Well, let's just write auto for now, or like shader. Shader? Just to have it. We'll get the right file type later. I'm going to call this menu shader. Graphics shader 2D. Oh, thank you. GFX. Alright, menu shader. In here I'm also holding on to the texture, but I'm guessing with the file system I don't need to do that? Or do I? Let's see how I do it in render actor. You're just grabbing it every... Oh, really? Okay, That can't be right, is it? I don't remember what M back is. Let's have a look and see what we've got. Because we also had some stuff with like stars going across the screen and stuff. So that might be irrelevant. Let's check out... Actually, you know what? I can chuck this stuff in here in just like a to-do. I'll pop it in here. Now you can read it with me, you know? That does currently load the texture every time you create the system, but it's not a huge deal. Oh, it's just in... Is it just in the initialize? Okay, that's fine. Yeah, this is actually kind of annoying. Hang on. So, I'm going to store a permanent... Wait, hang on though. In render actor... This loads... Oh, no, wait, yeah, hang on, this is just in the constructor. That's fine, sorry. I thought this was being ran every time in the display. Like in here. Okay, that's not so bad. That's fine. That would have been, yeah, you could see why I was like, hang on. Alright, let's just get this going for now. Hey robot. Yeah, you've missed out. We're trying to currently get this old bean working. Remember this? Trying to get this working. Alright, so we need that. It's my carpet, yeah. I don't remember if I need to make this verts. What's the difference between M back sprite and M menu back sprite? M back texture is what I want to recreate because that's menu background.png. Yeah. Only came for the Minecraft music. Damn. When this YouTube playlist randomly turns on a Toho 6 MIDI bit chiptune, it's gonna ruin your evening. Good night, Tom. Alright, alright, we're recreating M menu back texture. So, can I do this? I don't know if this is necessary. But we had, again, like, different library. God, this is loud music, isn't it? Different library, but we were generating bitmap. I feel like maybe you're just doing this now, or we weren't using it. But we also had set repeated to true, which I think is important. I don't know what your function's actually called because linting doesn't work. So we're just going to ignore it for now and just write the code and then fix it later. M menu back sprite. Do I also have to... I don't remember. Did I also have to make sprites in this system or not? Did you make that all one thing? What did you do? Render actor. So I got circle texture. Your texture automatically does those things. It sets repeated. That can't be right, can it? Is it? Circle texture. Sprite. Hang on, we do have a sprite. Huh. Repeated is the default mode. Okay. I'm guessing then that I do need... I'm currently not really doing much with the component system, huh? I'm guessing that I could probably make like a generic background component that's passed in. Because right now I'm just going to hard code it to exist. But I guess at some point I should make a system that stores a sprite, I guess. Most of the time your text is lined up with the edges, so it doesn't make a difference. Okay. For now I'm guessing I need to make a sprite. Don't remember what. It's something that has animation time associated with it. That's probably not it then. You might have multiple backgrounds at the same time. No, but like every stage might have multiple backgrounds, so I feel like it'd be easier to just like swap in. If you're drawing one quad, then yeah, it'll be mount. Oh shit, yeah, I guess I'm just drawing to a rectangle, right? Can I just do this? In fact, that's kind of what I'm already doing. Can a rectangle instance have a texture? Hang on. Optionally textured. Should I be making a rectangle instance and texture it? Yeah, in the end, you're going to draw a big red rectangle with the carpet texture in your shader. Perfect. Alright. Render background. Alright, let's check. Actually, you should put this on the side, right? I've been checking it so much. You can go there and... Actually, hang on. Let's just copy this for now. We just get it run and then we can optimize later. So we're going to draw a rectangle over the whole screen. Like so. Just to get it working. This isn't it. Menu system? Hang on, where was I drawing the rectangle? This thing. Alright, we want this. We're going to draw a rectangle. Is there a dot texture? I just send in the menu background. I mean, this is probably not... What is it? Shader. Oh! You just pass in the shader. Hang on. The pointed to texture must remain valid and must not be null pointer. So it needs to be a texture pointer. And shader. How am I drawing textures elsewhere? Like this. So maybe like this. And then dot shader equals... I don't think this is quite right, but the thought is there, you know? That's what counts. Tint color can just be untinted. Looks right so far. That's the best thing you've ever typed on my chat. Other than when I have a really obscure bug and you fix it in half a second. But that's good to see. Should I move the chat box like up a little bit? So you're like here, so you can read it. Alright. Tint is white, not black. Oh. Or just omit it. Oh, okay, it's not required. Alright, so this looks fine. Maybe. We don't need these necessarily. What else? I don't know why, but for whatever reason in WouHou 1, we were setting this position of this texture somewhere. Oh, it's because I was drawing it at a scale of 2 and then shifting it up a bit. Okay, let's not worry about that for now. Alright, so in draw, M menu shader. So I think in tick or in update, we're always updating a little timer. We're always ticking it up. And then I think we're using that to set the texture and time. What's going on in our vert and frag? Let's have a look. Frag, you need... Well, not you, vert, sorry. Position and... text chord? Angle texture time is what I seem to be passing in. Time. Oh, texture time. You want to pass in the elapsed time as a parameter, but you get that directly from frame info instead of... Oh, you just have one. Oh yeah, you do. You have time since game start. Alright, so this might actually be quite simple. Let's angle. This is what's currently being passed in the draw function. I say currently, this is what we wrote several years ago in the draw function. Don't exactly know what this was. I think this is just the rendering crap that we aren't using anymore. So this is not relevant. I think maybe we can just get away with this. Menu shader. This is not probably right. And this is frame info dot time since launch? I don't remember what it's called. What's it called? Elapsed time. This might need to be changed into something. Oh no, it's a float. I think it's a float in the other thing. SF shader current texture. That's not right. It's not right. I think I need to set the... Actually, maybe I don't need to do that. In libdonut, you need to add a member below... In libdonut, you need to add a member... What, in like libdonut itself? Like, you want me to actually modify the build? Because I can't do that, right? It'll change next time there's a... You mean in here? Oh, when using the libdonut API. Alright. Okay. I understand. Okay. Do I? Hang on. The member in the header file. What, like in here? Oh, you just need me. I just need to store that. Okay, I get it. I get it. Sorry, I was misunderstanding. Why dot program? How does that work? So we have shader time, we also have shader texture, or just texture not needed because we're passing in the texture here. Oh, I love the Prism River Sisters song, dude. I always feel like the Prism Rivers are underrated. There's 3 Tohos and they have different hats. I don't understand. Sorry, how... is there a... how does this work? Maybe it's in the draw function? That's not it. Oh, okay. Okay, sure. So in this sense, are we... the shader time here is basically being used as like a fancy flag that you've written to handle in a certain way. Somehow. Just to make it a little simpler, I guess. Let's see if this compiles. It's just an int that describes the location of the shader variable. Okay. But it does mean we need to predefine all the parameters, which isn't an issue, but... I think before we were just doing it in line, right? Basically. What's up? Set uniform float. I've done this wrong. Is it menu shader.program, maybe? I've never played the Phantasm stage. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, hang on. Is it cons? Oh, hang on. Yeah, uniform plate is not in here. Have I done this wrong? Since display is const, you can only access it as const, but you know it's safe, you can get away with a const cast. How does const cast work? So you're casting it as if it's... You're saying, like, treat this as if it's, it is const. Is this one of those hacky workarounds you can do in C++ that can accidentally disable your hard drive? It's an escape hatch for removing const that you shouldn't use normally unless you really know what you're doing. Alright. Feels like this could go catastrophic. It is telling me, though, that this method does not exist. Oh, hang on. Oh, no, this also needs to be const casted, surely. That can't... is that right? Const shader program is this. Draw being const is a little annoying. I guess typically draw is not where you modify stuff. So this is before where you would have had your like pre-draw phase. Maybe you'd make that not const and you'd handle this all in there. Stream dying. The stream's dying. I'm dropping lots of frames. I'll just wait until it stops. Maybe Chris is downloading a video or something. Stream's dying a bit. Yeah, it will. I can pause the YouTube video for a second and just see if that helps. That did indeed help. Hilarious. Alright, I was saying... I don't know if you heard me or not. But I was saying maybe this is why we had a like pre-display thing that wasn't const. Just move the setting to update. Yeah, yeah. This doesn't have update. What? Is that okay? That's being ran a lot. I guess it's fine. Do you have an update? I need somewhere to nick that from. You? You? No, you? No, you? No, you? You are? Okay, dope. God, this screen is too small for activities. Alright, we're doing this in here, we're getting rid of this, doing this. We also need to go... Oh, this is the header. Oh, it's just, it's only a header. Okay, easy. Easy modo. We don't still have prepare for display, but I was saying maybe that would have been the best spot to put this stuff in. Mark the thing as mutable. Sure. Mutable here meaning... quite literally, please edit me. I don't care if it's const. Get away with it. Do it. Modify me. Speaking of modifying, hey, thanks, Spycraps. That's not normally what I'd mark mutable as, I guess, but that's cool. That's neat. Things mean the same things, but differently. What are you bloody complaining about? Oh, hang on. Shader 2D is expecting 2 arguments. Program options and options. Is that right? Usually for caches and stuff, yeah. Things where you don't mind it being modified at any point. Hang on, is that right? Do I need to pass in the parameter? No. Should be in the program. Hey Scout, it's good. We're trying to see if we can get the background working. Yeah, menu shader needs options. Okay. Yeah, it's Donkey Kong Country. I don't know what they are. Is this the file? Just sort of made it up. Options. Shader 2D options. What do you include? You can just be the defaults for now. Sure. This is just in donut graphics, so this is just going to be like this. Maybe. Oh, cock. I need to check the constructors for shader 2D. I think that works. No. Where's your constructor? I guess I need to pass in shader program options, specifically. And that'll be a different thing. What do you look like? Oh. This is where I link in the files for the vert and the frag. How was I doing that in WouHou? Oh, just loading both. mshader.load from file. Okay. Pointer to the source code. Okay. I don't know if we were using definitions. This is not Waggy. Oh, the Wakasagi Lake. This is like the Cherno Lake, right? Or Daisei. Wait, Waggy Saggy lives in that lake? I thought she just lives in and around Gensokyo, in like rivers and shit. She lives outside the SDM? Huh. I haven't played double dealing character? No. It is double dealing character. That's why you fight Shurina. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, time for sad Minecraft music. You all asked for it. What are you complaining about now? Right. Yeah, alright, just fix it. Read all into oh, I've done a capital T like a dingus. It's positional, it doesn't work. Oh shit, really? You need to get out of here. Well, hang on, when does C++ let you use the dot thing, and when does it not? The dot's for aggregate types without a constructor. An aggregate type? The magic mallet makes her angry, so she attacks you. Structs. Okay, I was gonna ask, yeah. Okay. The dot thing never felt very C++-y to me. It felt different. Oh, hang on, you're a struct, aren't you? Struct. What's going on here? Oh, this is slow. Constructor. Oh, it's meant to be a reference. Do I need to construct it separately, maybe? How about that? Oh, the string pointers are going to dangle. Shit. Oh, hang on. Do I just pass it in and then... Oh, hang on. It wants a reference, but I... Hang on. Sorry, it wants a reference. It wants a reference, so do I not need to store it somewhere permanently so I can feed it in? Am I missing that? The only reason it's safe when you pass it in is because temporary vars exist until the end of the statement. Hang on, can you help me with this construction? Shader 2D, you pass in an options. So I'm doing that, and it's yelling. What's wrong with this syntax? It doesn't need the options after they're constructed. Okay, you have semicolons instead of commas. Oh, cock. Grammar. Who needs it? Exclamation mark. Question mark. Cock. Ah, you need one of those old comma-y boys, huh? See how it is. Bloody commas. Is it not called texture? Hang on. No, it's not a model. Stop that. Ignore it. Okay. I feel like this isn't needed. Okay, the pointer is somewhere else. The issue, sorry, is somewhere else. Fuck me, dude. Am I just missing a semicolon? You? Maybe it's you. Probably another header. Hey, weirdo. Is it actually the no space left on device error? If I just keep trying to run it, do you think it'll just work? This is not main.c++, this is the options parser. Are you feeling okay? Why is this sending me to this file? Oh no, this is the file, it's just in here. Okay. Oh, dear. Maybe it's in game. How are you feeling, game? Don't give me these new Minecraft songs. No, actually, you can give me these new Minecraft songs. You think it's still in the render background system? Alright. Maybe I need to save all. Maybe I haven't done that. Oh. It's done. Ow. Let's hide the shaders and stuff. Ah! No, it's not this, is it? No. Let's just hide this for now. That's not that sus, is it? I feel like a lot of our files have that. Quite, that doesn't seem to have fixed the issue. The fact there is 2 is sus. Well, don't worry about it. I really don't want to delete the build file because it takes so long to re-download everything. Unused parameter frame info. Is it this? No. Did you change a libdonut header? What do you mean? I can just go back, I guess, through my history. Oh, actually, hang on. I can do source control. Here's what we've changed. These were added. This was added. This was sorted. Organized. Added. Organized. Build folder isn't part of source control. That's true. I find it unlikely. Let's just check if there's anything obvious. This is not what I'm feeling, Minecraft. Don't give me this new shit. Give me Akabashi rockets. That was Minecraft Alpha. Not Alpha, but like the soundtrack. Or Beta. Whatever the fuck the new volume's called. I don't like it. You're 50% sure that's what's happened. Alright, look. Please tell me what folder I'm deleting. Let's just simplify things. Computer, fix problem. We can listen to some Akaboshi Rockets for a bit. While it's downloading everything. This will take a minute. How are you all enjoying the stream today, chat? Get everything except depths. But I thought the point was that you thought I modified something in my dependencies. I thought that's what you were saying. Oh. A little odd that the build folder isn't read-only. Maybe it's because it's not handled by a proper IDE. Are you certain it was a donut folder? I do love having a build script. It's like, it's magical that it's just downloading everything. I pasted something. It's possible. Oh, yeah. Oh. Man, whatever GLM is huge. General Language Machine, I think it means. This is how the computer knows my anger. It parses my English using GLM. You know this band did the High School of the Dead intro? I didn't. OpenGL style math, like, well, good stream, sorry. I didn't know. I'm pretty sure it's Akaboshi Rockets. I think they did the High School of the Dead. They did some other anime stuff as well. I had no idea. Oh, sorry. No, I meant sorry, like, because the stream right now is just a debug printout. I want to play Taiko. But like a real Taiko. I don't know how this looks on the like 2 FPS stream that I'm outputting, by the way. How long has this build taken? Fuck me, dude. Alright, it seems to be doing stuff now. Flashbacks to like when someone thought that the menu, like we had the stream running, we had the little like WouHou menu playing in the corner, and someone said like, "Is that like a distraction? Is it like a GIF that you have playing in the corner to keep people watching the stream?" I was like, "No, that's the game. Good that it's enticing." I'm seeing some errors. Alright. Let's run it clean and see what it says. Let's just let it build again. Alright. Is it an issue with the... Have I not written mutable properly? Should this not be like a curly brace like this? Should this be done differently? Can you check the syntax donut for this this bit? That looks correct. Mutable shader. Okay. So that 10-minute wait did not fix anything. Menu system header. Maybe the issue's in game, but then none of these other programs are having issues. I guess none of these other programs are including game. Should you be const? Is update a const override? I don't think it is it? In an enemy system, you don't use it. Culling? It happens in some header that the game includes before menu system. And it's not in menu system. What about if I shove this up a bit? Could it be that the linter has somehow broken something? Like the formatter? Has it put in something somewhere stupid? These are still giving errors. Don't know. Hang on. It's a header that game includes. Are you... Why is this still giving issues then? Is the error still above this? Did you recompile? I hit build. I hit run. Does that not recompile? It's build and run. Tell me they're different. I thought run builds then runs, and I thought build just builds it in place. Are they different in this program? Run does build. Okay. Can I shove this above game? I'm still giving issues. Go through the errors first by one by one, starting at the first one. Alright. You're having issues. Your header is having issues. You? Are you maybe being guarded against? No. Did this happen after I added update? No, you're always using update. I just want to double check this. This is when it started breaking. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Entity. Display does not override? Usually put the main include at the top. You usually put the main include for the file at the top. What do you mean? The main include. This is here. It must be the file that menu system includes. Since it includes stuff before. Yeah, it's right there. What does that do? Okay, you can stage it, this one. Let's do some hacking. Let's just start. Hopefully this should just give us an error saying that frame buffer render and frame info aren't being used. No. Okay, so it's not this. Oh yeah. Okay. This is not an error. You are an error. Okay. Okay, it's now going back to the no space left on device, so I think the error is one of these. If I include the shader again, this should give us the original error. giving us issues with it ran, and then it gave us issues with GL. So I guess this is where you said we want you to change some stuff. That error is good. So is the issue the shader parameter? Keep uncommenting stuff, yeah. Fuck off. How much go from 8 gigs to 32? Oh, actually, how much RAM does the Steam Deck have? Does it even have 8 gigs? Or does the Steam Deck have like 6? Or 4? Does it have 16? Really? Fuck me. Some terrible memory. I guess I am the one using a souped up NVIDIA Shield for programming. Okay. Set uniform float. Are you the error? Yeah, I did, I think my machine at home, the like new PC, built it and then barely used it. I think that had 2.6 of 16 for 32 gigs, but with the option to update it to 64 if I wanted that. Maybe once DDR5 came down in price a bit. That could run WouHou, I bet. Getting really late. I didn't realize that error checking was going to take a fucking hour. Okay, it's all running and all errors are gone. And I didn't change a single thing. Alright, let's have a look at the OpenGL issues then. Fantastic. I love this programming language. It's so convenient and easily written. Alright, these things don't exist then. What language are we using now? Is it maybe just called something different but it still exists? Because this is everything. This is also in let me Google this maybe. GL vertex undeclared. Maybe I just need to include something. Because I've only right now got these. Maybe now you need to import some basics or something. Redeclare the built-ins that are supposed to be predefined. Really? Hang on, what changed? SFML used an ancient OpenGL 1.1, so it'll be quite different. Mainly they have to declare the input and output variables instead of using built-in vars. Okay, example game, this one. I was googling it. What the fuck am I? Does it? Is it in here? Oh, it's this shit. The shader code's in the source code. You got for shader 2D, but I'm guessing 3D is going to be similar then. So you have to define your inputs and your outputs. Alright. There are some very basic default shaders in there. Like this shit, or... in shader 2, oh yeah. Oh, this is dot header. Where's shader 2D dot? Source graphics, not include graphics. Sorry? Oh, this. Alright, I don't know if I have time for this today. It's like 11:30. I kind of thought this was going to be quick, but it's not. Yeah, this isn't a 5-minute fix. I'm gonna be yelled at if I go to bed too late. Oh, I keep saying yelled at. This is not like a quick drop-in thing. You think it's quick, you just have to look at it. No, but this isn't like run, this is rewrite. Look at the fragment shader. Like, can I literally just write like invec3 gl x like that? I think this is a vec3. I don't know what GL color is. Let's say it's a vec4. You just fuck it up like this. And then I guess out is the frag color. They need to be the same types in the same order. So vec2, vec3. Oh, sure. What is any of this? Mat 4 maybe? You can use the default vertex shader. Yeah? Is the vertex shader the one that literally just says how to shade, how to apply the frag to any vertex, but normally you just shove it on? We're not. Don't forget output color. Is that not this? What do I need to do? GL text chord. Vertex shaders for the corners of the quad, and then the frags for each pixel. Right. Yeah, I was picturing in my head like you have like a stretched frame, and that's the vertex shader. And then the frag is where on each pixel on that stretched frame, how that should look. Is that wrong or is that right? I know very little. My shader knowledge is like piss, as you can tell. Do you need to call it output color? Like, am I meant to reuse the names you've used here for these things? So, like... Come on, F2. Alright, whatever. Just to be... Name doesn't matter, but it might not, like, you using the same names as old variables. Okay. You need the texture sampler. This? That's in there. That's up here. Should this not be up here anymore? That should be fine. Because this whole file is basically this. Right? So this stuff is up and above main. Texture 2G proj. Should just be texture. None of the in-out should be in main. I'm gonna copy what you've done in here and have it up here, then. And then maybe this? Like that? The code itself, yeah, so anything that's... This should be fine. At least it launches instantly. Cannot access field Y. Type mismatch. It can't be named texture because texture is a built-in function name. Oh, cock. I'll just go with your name then. Texture, sampler 2D float. Sample 2D... Yeah, I need to zoom this out, hang on. So we're passing... Let's have a look at this. How much does the order of these matter? Maybe there's 0 on all those. Okay, less errors. In fact, oh, Swizzle! Dude, you have swizzling in this as well? My OpenGL. My OpenGL? My Objective-C. Alright, we're getting there. What else do we not have? So I need some of this shit. Like, do I need to declare some stuff? Yeah. It's having issues on 18. Operands to arithmetic must be numeric. Is sign different? You're not using sign. Okay. Does the order of these matter? No. I don't think so. What if I just hide some of this stuff for now? I'm just gonna hide stuff and see if that... Okay, so the sign things are having issues. Well, I guess actually this... He copy paste the errors, yeah, sorry. Phase Z used uninitialized. Oh, phase Z needs to be a thing. No, it's not, it's this. Wait, hang on, what? Read-only variable, fragment texture coordinates. It's accessing Z and W even though it's 2D. Oh, wait, hang on, why is this 2? Why do you only use a 2D on this? The initial code was like fucking stuff up. Like, yeah. You know? Am I allowed to just shove it in as a... Oh god. It has to be deck 2 because that's what it is. Well, that's where the magic comes from, isn't it? That we were like adjusting stuff in like the Z and W. I thought. I mean, I can delete that for now and see if that helps. Oh, whoops. Let's just do 111, right? Assignment to read-only variable, fragment texture coordinates. Why is that not allowed? Maybe if I do pop you in here, maybe you like that. Must be declared at global scope. Okay. What are you? Make a temporary vec2 in main. Where? This thing? Not like that. Oh, I made it float. Sorry, hang on. Oh, okay, that compiled. It also doesn't do anything. At all. Why does it not do anything? Hang on. Maybe it's because you're big numbers? Maybe the game renders on top of it. Maybe. This should render on top of the playable space at least. Quick, do you see how much longer it takes to compile now? Okay, yeah, it's not doing anything. It's the alpha 0. Yeah, you'd still be able to see an alpha 0.1. It should be drawing above this rectangle. Yeah, I know, Dennett. I know. This doesn't seem to be doing anything. Like green, maybe? It's getting really late. Can I just do what you're doing in this for a second? Shouldn't this at least just draw the rectangle? Does it have a size? Screen width, screen height. Menu background. If I remove the shader from this call, it should just draw the menu background, right? Right? Oh, it takes a minute. Try giving it a higher order index. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna go to bed. It's really late. This was not a quick fix. I've been lied to. It was a quick. I mean, it ran eventually, but it wasn't quick. I should have gone to bed an hour ago, dude. I'm gonna be told off. Yeah, okay, so it's an issue with the shader. If I just draw the rectangle by itself, it works fine. That's cool. That's reassuring. You think it's just the order index? Donut. Wow. What's order index? What is that? You said it in shader 2D options, dude. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed, dude. This is fine. We'll handle this another day. I have to go. This isn't good. I'm gonna go. Did you all enjoy the stream today, chat? Did you have fun? I hope so. I'm gonna go to bed now. Thanks for watching. This has gone on like an hour longer than I wanted. So I'm just gonna go. Good night, everyone. Have a good one. I'll see you all soon. I think tomorrow I'm not streaming, and I don't know if I'm streaming over the weekend. We'll have to see. Just check Discord, and I'll let you know. Good night, though. Good night.